Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi District u Abilash Baranwal menta kasngi ula Pynshai pajba halor ka jigkhang khyrdep no yaki khyrdop lum khajna ka KHADC kabadon hakashnong Umdihar hari Bhoi District kate ka jing Pynshai jong Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi District kade hadin shisngi ba ki executive member kila kano ba ka Bosan Shar District ri Bhoi District kamsham la burome ka KHADC halor kate ka jigkhang ya ka khyrdop lum khajna ka KHADC ha Umdihar habakren sekilat pathai khubor u Abilash Baranwal u Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi District ulaong ba kamdon kano ka jingbom burom ya ka KHADC bat ka jingkhang ya khyrdop lum khajna ha Umdihar kade kat kum ka hukum jong ka sarkar jilla house nem arhajar apwe bat lakhang ru kat kum ki kendon jong ka an ha ka bawat ka KHADC ha ka te ka order ha ka point ka ban riu la tho shai ba onom sha pan penyeng ye ki khyrdop ha ka surok ba national highway.
We have highest regards for KHADC. It's a 6th scheduled state. So there is nothing like disrespecting KHADC. However, I mean, going by the work order that KHADC has given to that agent itself, you'll see point number 6, it is clearly mentioned that it cannot be set up on the highway. So even in their own work order, it is mentioned that it cannot be on the highway. And it is also an instruction which we have received from Government of Meghalaya way back in 2021. Wherein it was decided in consultation and concurrence with KHADC that no such check gate or toll gate can come up on state PWD roads or national highway. So there is a standing instruction from Government of Meghalaya. Their own order is also saying that it cannot be set up on the national highway. So that is why this gate was closed down. Otherwise, there is no point of disrespecting KHADC. In fact, over the last 2 months, both KHADC and CM Hima Milliam have set up more than almost 8 to 10 check gates. We have not closed down anything else, but the one that has been set up on national highway, which is against their own work order, that only has been closed down.